Y'all, so my little brother is still caught on steal a brain rot, and he just said something about a cat. Look, she looks like Meow from Still a Brain Rot. She's real nice, she's real calm. She just doesn't like being pat on the head. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys.